Hamster Daily Cipher Code for 21st/22nd of July 2024. Please, if you have seen this channel for the first time, do it to subscribe to it. Like the video and share it with others. Without further ado, let's get it started. The word for today is locker. Locker. So let's dive in. The first word, which is L, is dot dash dot dot. The O is triple dash. The C is dash dot dash dot. The O is dash dash dash. The C is dash dot dash dot. The K is dash dot dash. The E is dot. The R is dot dash dot. And that is it, guys. To meet again in our next video, please do it to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share it with others. Thank you for watching.